Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, it's all about moisturizers and I will be reviewing the Skinfix Barrier Plus moisturizers. On one hand, I have the triple lipid peptide cream and on the other, I have the skin barrier restoring gel cream. So if you're curious about these two moisturizers, you're in the market for a moisturizer and you want to know the difference between these two, then this is the video for you. However, if you're not subscribed to my channel, this will be a good time for you to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video, and I will see you guys in my next one. So if you're curious about these two moisturizers, this is definitely the video for you. And as we transition into the cooler months, we want to make sure that our skin is well moisturized. We're not doing ashy skin, cracked skin. I've actually reviewed Skinfix products in the past, so I will definitely link it so that you can go check it out and hear my thoughts on some of their products. This is not my first time using Skinfix products, so I love a lot of their products, their cleansers, their moisturizers, and this is definitely not my first time actually trying out the peptide moisturizer, but this is definitely going to be like a first for the gel cream. To get started, I'm going to start off with the triple lipid peptide cream. Like I mentioned, this is not my first time actually trying out this moisturizer. I've used it in the past and honestly, I absolutely love it for when the weather gets extremely cold and my skin feels really dry. Because even as an oily skin girly, I find that during winter, my skin gets really dry and I need to like pack on that moisture and that hydration. And so this is a really good formula for you to actually try out. It does say on the website that it's good for normal, dry, and combination skin. And it also retails for $73, and this is Canadian dollars if you're interested. One of the things that I do love about it is how you're able to get out the product. I love that it comes with like a pump so you get the right amount that you need. One thing that I love about it is that you're able to just refill only the product. If you're looking to only refill the product, then it retails for about $63. So that's actually good. You don't have to, repurchase the whole pack. You can just buy what you need, put it back in the case, and you're good to go. Now, to get into the ingredient, it has 3.5 patented BL3 barrier lipid complex, which helps to replenish natural lipids to restore skin moisture barrier in as little as 1 hour. Then it has 3% neutral peptide blend, which is formulated for sensitive skin to reduce visible redness, and 5% hydrating glycerine, a powerful humectant that pulls in moisture into the skin for a hydrated, dewy finish. Like I said, this is a really good moisturizer if you have like dryness, wrinkles, and you really want to make sure that you're staying hydrated throughout the day. Definitely a good moisturizer for you to check out. I'm going to be applying it on one side of my face, and then on the other side I'm going to apply the gel cream. But let's get into the gel cream and let me share with you guys why this one is a little bit more unique. So the Skin Barrier Restoring Gel Cream, this also retails for the same amount, $73, and also it has that refillable pack. So if you're looking just to refill only the product, then you have that option as well. It has the same applicator just like the peptide cream, so it makes it just easy for you to apply it. So it's suitable for normal, combination, and oily skin. So if you're an oily skin girly and you feel like the other moisturizer is just going to be a little bit too much, then this is definitely an option that you should check out. It also helps with oiliness. So if you want to control your oils even as the weather transitions into like the cooler months, then this will be the moisturizer for you. It helps with uneven texture and pores, so you're getting all the benefits that you would get from other skincare products, but all of this in one moisturizer. So I'm going to read some of the key ingredients in here so that you can understand some of the benefits that you'll be getting when you do get this moisturizer. It has the patented BL3, which helps with your skin barrier and helps lock in that moisture. Then it has zinc PCA, which helps to reduce excess oil and deliver long-term hydration. Then it contains the almighty, all-powerful niacinamide, which helps to refine the appearance of pores and visibly brightens and evens the skin tone. So this is like a really good moisturizer. Instead of having to pick out different products, having your niacinamide, having this is all in one moisturizer. So you can literally cut your skincare routine by half by just having this moisturizer in your skincare routine. So So enough of me rambling. Let me show you what that looks like on my skin. Like I mentioned, I'm going to apply the peptide on one side and then the gel cream on the other side. You can see from the texture that it is very, very, very creamy. It has such a thick, rich consistency. So I'm gonna apply that on my face, and I'm gonna come closer so you guys can see that. On this side, I have the peptide cream. On this side, I have absolutely nothing. So I'm going to apply the gel cream so you guys can see what that looks like. The gel cream has a lighter texture to it. It feels really airy and it feels very soft on your skin. Unlike the other one, you can actually feel how rich it is. This feels a little bit lighter. So I'm gonna come closer and show you guys what that looks like. And this is what it looks like on my skin. On this side, the peptide. On this side, the gel cream. I love how it just blends into your skin really well and just absorbs into your skin. This side feels really dewy, and I'm just gonna let this side settle in for a few minutes, then come back and show you guys what my face looks like and compare both sides together. So this is my skin after 10 minutes of having both moisturizers on. You can see on this side is still a little bit dewy, and on this side is a little bit more controlled in terms of the shine that I'm getting. So this gives you like a good comparison of the products and letting you know which would be the best fit for your skin. I personally love both of them, and definitely something that I would be using in my routine, just because as the weather transitions into colder months, I tend to need a moisturizer that's a little bit heavier and that can lock in that moisture. So I would be using the peptide cream a little bit more as we transition into the cooler months. But the gel cream is still great and amazing because of all the added benefits that you get with it. You get niacinamide in it, and niacinamide has been a big part of my skincare routine in helping control the oils that I have. And so definitely something that you should check out if this is something that you lean towards and you're trying to get even texture. You're trying to also help reduce your pore size and control your oiliness. So definitely check out this moisturizer. But overall, this is what my skin looks like with both of them on my face. Again, on this side of my face, I have the triple lipid peptide cream, and on this side I have the skin barrier restoring gel cream. And you guys got to see an up close of what both of them looks like on my skin right after application and after 10 minutes of having both of them on. I feel like these are really, really great products, and if you have dry skin, definitely check this out. And if you have oily skin and you want to control your oils, then this will be a great alternative for you. They both retail for the same price, but overall I think they're both amazing moisturizers, so feel free to check it out. Let me know what your thoughts are, which of these moisturizers you'll be getting and adding to cart. I will be leaving links below so that you can shop using those links. And once again, if you're not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. And I will see you guys in my next one.